Hey, welcome to week 10. How about that? We are at week 10. So, you've had a bit more time with Essay 4 to revise it. So, the final draft is going to be due on Monday, the 9th. So, these are going to take me a little bit of time to grade because they're longer. So, give it a good week. And then, like always, you get to revise them for a higher grade if you so choose. And I don't know if I've told you all this, but I'm doing something nice. I'm going to let you revise Essay 3, that in-class essay, because I really want you to feel good about that essay. If you already got a great grade on it, you can just go ahead and keep that grade. But basically, what I'm going to do is have you revise it, and then I'll go with the highest grade. So I'm going to delete that original assignment from the grade book, and then just go with whatever the highest grade is. But first, what I want you to do is discuss it with your peers, kind of going through the instructions and give your peer a sense of your plan for it, what you did so far with it, what you might want to add to it, and then likewise go back and respond to at least two of your peers, so this is an actual conversation. So the discussions are never meant for you to just post one thing and walk away. They're always meant for you to interact with your base group so that you guys can give each other feedback and get ideas and all that kind of stuff. If we were in the actual classroom, you would be sitting in a circle. We would do that a lot. I do that a lot in my classes, and I really miss that. So this is our attempt to do that. I don't know if you know this, but you can go from thing to thing, going back to the module or clicking on next. So after you've discussed it, you've gotten all the feedback, you're going to submit it. And this will be the in-class essay I had to create through a quiz because that was the only way to put a time limit on it. But this revision is regular essay style. And then the SEL for this week is really cool. I love this one. It takes 5 days, so I want you to start that a little bit earlier. And then Flipgrid. So this is a show week. Hopefully you'll find it useful. And then next week, week 11, we're going to dive into the last sort of big thing, last set of readings, and we'll start Essay 5 at some point that week. So you may have guessed, the last set of readings are going to be about trauma-informed institutions. To me, this is the most exciting thing of the whole class because this is where things get super positive and super exciting. You're going to read about a trauma-informed prison. You're going to read about a trauma-informed high school. You're going to see a video, or quite a few videos actually. I get so jazzed about this stuff because to me, this is the future. If we want this world to get better, if we want to see healing for so many people, if we want to take a different look at things like addiction and violence in a way that will really make a difference, I think trauma-informed is the way to go. So that's just a little heads up for week 11. All right. Yeah, so this is a pretty straightforward week. Good luck.